Dear friends, welcome to Vishwa Shanti Darshan YouTube channel, a channel conceptualized by revered Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad, a YouTube channel dedicated to world peace. Friends, today we have with us Dr. Ratnaprabha, who is a practicing Ayurvedacharya. She is MD Swasthavritta, and she is also pursuing her PhD in Swasthavritta. Swasthavritta is all about preventing diseases, and let us prevent the diseases instead of curing them. So today, she is here with us to answer some of the most burning questions in our minds about nutrition, diet, and Ayurveda. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Vishwa Shanti Darshan. Today we would be asking some of the questions to you which are there in minds of thousands of maybe millions of people, those who are willing to take care of their health through nutrition. My first question to you would be, how you would basically connect health of the people to world peace?
Yeah, as we all know that health itself is defined as a state of physical, mental, spiritual and a social well-being. So being a part of all these four concepts of whole universe is automatically connects to the peace of the whole world. So when we go towards the physical health, it connects to the mental, it connects to the social, and eventually it connects to the whole peace of the world. So definitely the health of the world, that lot means about the health peace or the peace of the world.
So nice. So let me bring this discussion towards Swasthavritta. So as it is described that it is a science or it is basically a philosophy to prevent the disease instead of curing it.
Yeah.
So how you will define Swasthavritta for us?
Yeah, Swasthavritta itself is made up of two words, Swastha and Vritta. Swastha itself is a healthy state of a human being, and Vritta is a kind of the rituals or the diet or the exercise that in the routine that we are going to follow in our daily life. So the Swastha Vritta is a science combinedly termed in ancient Samhitas as the daily routine, the correct daily routine or a daily diet or exercise, or in terms of ahara and vihara, we can say. That is all about Swasthavritta. So definitely.
So ahar is a diet and vihar is exercise?
Exactly.
Oh, great.
Yeah, but the diet concept of this Swasthavritta is something different than that of the modern dietetics. So when we say about the Ayurveda diet, it is related to a whole structure of a body in terms of three doshas, in terms of saptadhatus, in terms of three malas. So whenever we are saying about the Ayurveda dietetics, then it nourishes all these kinds of different sectors of our body.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Doctor, you have treated patients across the globe, and I think you have even worked on reducing the side effects of chemotherapy, which was a research project in South Korea.
Yeah.
So do you feel that these concerns about nutrition and diet are there across the globe, or they are a little more here in India?
Across the globe, the concept of diet is same and the requirement is also same, because as per the development in technologies and all, the lifestyle of the human being is being changed so drastically.
True.
So there is lot of requirement to change that lifestyle as per a natural routine in order to prevent diseases. So it's really a definite requirement all over the globe to change that lifestyle, and in order to change the in order to prevent the diseases. So definitely the Ayurveda lifestyle perspective of that whole lifestyle is really important to follow in order to prevent diseases, and that's what Swasthavritta is defined for.
Okay. And Doctor, Swasthavritta, as you rightly described, it is all about prevention. So how you would connect nutrition to disease prevention?
Whenever we are saying this is a disease, or whenever we are calling something as a part of health, then Ayurveda states you in terms of these different sectors, as I said, the equilibrium of doshas, equilibrium of dhatus, and equilibrium of our body discrimination or a body detoxification process. So whenever we are saying nutrition in terms of Ayurveda, then the term is as per your quality of digestion. If your quality of digestion is improved, if your quality of Agni is good, then only the nutrition of all kinds of these states or all structures of your body get nourished. So Agni part is important, which is the basic concept of Ayurveda in terms of nutrition. So when we say nourishment of the body, Ayurveda first think about the digestive system or the Agni, which eventually nourishes your body. Because what are the dhatus are, because a body is made up of dhatus, and what is dhatu is a combination of structures of certain cells. For example, if we say Mausa dhatu, that means it is a combination of muscle cells.
True.
So when we want to nourish that dhatu or Mausa dhatu,
True.
then first your basic Agni should be good.
True.
So for that reason, the nutrition aspect starts from the basic thing of Agni.
Wow.
So Ayurveda not only emphasizes on direct target cell, it emphasizes on basic thing of Agni. So that is what the difference of modern aspect of dietetics is and Ayurveda aspect of dietetics is.
So beautiful, so nice. One question then comes right in picture here. The moment you said that Swasthavritta or Ayurveda as a whole focuses on Agni, focuses on your digestion system or overall metabolism, and the way the food that we are consuming, the nutrition being absorbed. So I'm assuming that if your Agni is correct or if your metabolism is correct, the nutrition from the food that you're consuming would automatically be properly absorbed. Just a few days back, we read a news article which is saying because of this pandemic period, people are consuming a lot of vitamins and all those supplements. So do you think that's the right way of dealing or doing things?
Definitely not, because what Ayurveda suggests that it's not about that. Whenever you heard from something, some diet or some recipes, you should try for yourself. It's not a right way, because every body is different, every structure is different, and every prakriti is different. So as per prakriti, you should consume food. You should know the basics of your prakriti, whether it is more over vata, more over pitta type, more over kapha type, and accordingly you should consume the recipes. You should consume this different kinds of supplementary medicines. So if your Agni is good and if your prakriti is as per relevant to that consumption of the medicine, then only it will be helpful for your body. Otherwise, it will be just excretion, or it will be just waste out from your body. So, so what I will suggest, ki don't blindly go with what the trend is.
So we should not simply go across the counter and ask for vitamins and minerals and consume at our own. So even for consuming these kind of vitamins and minerals, you should seek guidance from a practitioner.
Definitely.
Okay. Doctor, there is one more important question here, that because of again this pandemic period and all those difficulties that all of us have been through, psychology of the people has also had hit and bad impact. So do you think that even the nutrition and the diet and all these things will have effect, or they can improve even the psychology of the person?
Yes. As we said that Anna is Purna Brahma, food is like a Purna Brahma. Purna Brahma means it emphasizes not only on your body, but also it nourishes your mind. So whenever you eat something, the sattvic, rajasic, tamasic gunas that impact on your food, and that actually rebuilds your body constitution. So whenever we are eating such kind of food, such kind of nutrition for our body, then it more or less it is also nourishing to your mind. So we should be very much conscious about eating, or we should be very much yes, definitely the conscious about eating or preparing the food, because it is also said that whenever you are preparing food, your mind should be focused.
Yeah.
For
So
that,
even I
yes.
think the good health begins from kitchen is what
Exactly.
they say.
There are
True.
also some of the mantra chanting are explained in
Oh.
Ayurveda Samhitas while cooking the food, because
Oh.
it really it really create that kind of positive energy or positive aura,
Vibrations.
vibrations while creating that food, and it impacts really on your food and thereby on your mind.
That's so,
So
nice.
it's not about just nourishment, or nutrition is not just about nourishment of the body. It is a nourishment of body as well as mind.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone in the audience as well. I'm sure you must have enjoyed this episode on Vishwa Shanti Darshan channel. There are so many things that we are sharing on this very, very unique channel, which is dedicated to world peace. We would like to request all of you to share this word, share this channel, like this video, and subscribe and share this channel and video with everyone, so that all these important messages and essence of life would be able to reach everyone. Thank you very much once again, and see you in the next episode. Namaskar.